Okay, so 119. So at the top of this, put 119. We're going to do one of these problems together just to get you going. Shh. We're going to do number 2. Why do you think I chose number 2 to do with you? It's got a fraction. And it's negative. So what do we know if it's a fraction? What is this going to look like? It's going to be a fatty fraction. So it's going to be wide. What else do we know? Is it going to be a happy face, sad face? Sad. It should be sad because A is sad. Okay? So that front number tells you if it's positive Patty or negative Nancy. This is negative Nancy, and it's a fatty fraction, so it's going to be thick. Okay? So first thing I need to do is what? Just like yesterday.
Vertex.
Find the vertex. So what is my vertex? It is 1, 4. So it's H and K. H is always opposite of the parentheses. So if it said minus, it's positive in the vertex. If it said plus, it'd be negative. So now what did we do after this point yesterday? Make a baby T-chart. Yay. X and Y. Where does that vertex need to go? In the middle. So you have 5 values in your baby T-chart. The vertex is going to go smack dab in the middle. 1, 4. And then I need to pick values to use around that vertex. 0 and negative 1 is going to go before 1. And then what's after 1? 2 and 3. So we have coordinate points that are going to match each other because the vertex is the axis of symmetry. So I want you to plot the vertex just to get you going and draw in your axis of symmetry. It should be symmetric around that point. That's your turning point. This is going to be the maximum because it's a negative Nancy, so it's a sad face. So you get to pick. Would you like to plug in negative 1 or 3? You want to do negative 1? Okay, so I'm going to show the work for this. When you're doing this, I do not care if you show all the work or if you just do it in a calculator, that's fine. But I'm going to explain to you how I'm getting these numbers because this is where people are confused. So I'm taking my equation, which is f of x equals negative 1/4. And it's going to be a little bit harder. We're going to get decimals today because we have fractions. X minus 1 squared plus 4. So what am I plugging in? Negative 1? Oh, this is going to be nice. Oh, no, it's not. Well, kind of.
It's a little nice.
So I have negative 1 minus 1 squared plus 4. So what am I going to simplify first? PEMDAS for life. The parentheses. So what's negative 1? Take away 1. Negative 2. What's up?
Go to the bathroom.
Yeah.
This is going to be on your YouTube channel, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so after I get negative 2, then do I do multiplication or do I do exponents? Exponents. That's where people mess up. So I'm going to do my exponents. What's negative 2 to the power of 2?
4.
Oh, this does come out nice. No. And then I do my multiplication. What is 1/4 times 4? 1. And is it going to be positive or negative?
Negative.
Good. So negative 1 plus 4.
3.
Which makes 3. So that 3 is going to go where the negative 1 is because that's what I plugged in. And where else is it going to go? The 3. So now you get to pick. Do you want to plug in 0 or 2?
0.
Let's do 0 because why not? 0 seems way easier, right? So I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to have f of 0 equals negative 1/4 multiplied by 0 minus 1 squared plus 4. So if I simplify the parentheses first, what's 0? Take away 1. What? 0, take away 1.
Negative 1.
Nice. Negative 1. Then I always do my exponents first. What is negative 1 to the power of 2? 1. Now I do my multiplication. What's 1/4 times 1? Negative 1/4. Good. Plus 4. What is that going to give me? 3.75. The reason why is because the 1/4 was negative. So this is really 4 minus 1/4. 1/4 is like a quarter. 1 out of 4 quarters. So it's 25 cents. So 4 take away 25 cents is $3.75. So 3.75 goes here. And if you want to leave it as fraction, then that's cool. If you want to write it as a decimal, that's cool with me too. I don't really care. Because either way, this is estimations. So don't get stressed about where exactly on your graph those values are going to fall. You know, 3.75 is going to be somewhere between 3 and 4. It's going to be closer to 4, but don't stress where like it exactly needs to go. So plot your other coordinate points. -1, 3, 1, 2, 3. 0, 3.75. I already have my vertex. 2 and 3.75. And 3, 3. So why does this look so wide?
Because of the fraction.
Because it's a fraction. So this is going to be a little wide. So the smaller your A value is, meaning like the smaller the fraction, the wider it gets. How do we feel?
Good.
So when you're doing this, you do not need to show this work. If you want to show this work, that's totally cool. I don't care. If you don't want to show it because you could do it in a calculator or do it in your head, that's fine. What I'm looking for, I'm grading this off correctness. I'm looking for the baby t-chart. Those values need to be correct. And I'm looking for your graph. I want your axis symmetry in there. Okay? No. If you need to take it home for homework, then that's fine. But when you're done, bring it up to me because I'm grading on correctness. What's up? Yes.